Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed into Dolores Madrigal from Disney's Encanto. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I already prepped my skin, so I'm starting off with foundation. I am taking a mixture of my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation as well as my Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Fit Me Foundation. After I blend that all out, I'm just taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and I'm going to put that on my under eye circles as well as the high points of my face to highlight them. To set all of that in place and make sure that they stay on my face for the whole night, I'm going to take two shades of powder, Banana Deep from Revolution and a darker shade from Ben Nye, and I'm going to bake my entire face. While that's baking, I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm just doing my brows as I normally would, except rounder and with less of an arch than usual. Next, I'm just going to buff all of those extra powders off, and then I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, really spray that on my face and my beauty blender and press it onto my skin to make this look less chalky. After that, this is an optional step, but if you have unruly eyebrows like I do, I suggest you set your eyebrows in place with an eyebrow gel. I'm using here the Benefit Give Me Brow in the shade Gray. Next, to achieve that really beautiful sun-kissed skin that Dolores has, I'm just going to take my Careline Glow Getter palette and I'm going to use that to bronzer. Let's do the eyes. So I'm taking my Juvia's Place The Magic Mini palette and I'm just going to take a warm brown shade and use that as my transition color. I'm starting off by applying that onto my crease and then just building that up and blending that onto my brow bone. Next, taking my Saharan palette, still from Juvia's Place, I'm just taking a deeper brown shade and I'm going to use that to deepen up my crease as well as apply that on the outer V of my eyelids. Going back to that Magic Mini palette, I'm just taking a bronze shade and I'm just patting that all over the center of my eyelids and then finishing off with a gold for the inner corner. Next, I'm just putting in my contacts. People usually do this before starting their makeup routine, but for me, I prefer doing this after I'm done with the baking and the eyeshadow to avoid any fallout from entering my eyes. After that, I'm just taking a dark brown eyeshadow and I'm using that to line my lower lash line. After that, I'm just going to apply some liquid eyeliner and I'm doing a small wing before applying some cream colored eyeliner to make my eyes look larger. For blush, I am mixing two shades. I have here Title from Vice Cosmetics and Orange Bliss from Careline. To accentuate the high points of my face, I'm just taking this loose highlighter from Lovely Cosmetics. I forgot what shade, but I am going to link everything that I used in the description box below should you be interested in creating this look. And finally, for the Lipsense, I am not a huge fan of bright red shades. I am using a deeper shade of red. This is the shade Luna from Colorette Cosmetics. And that is pretty much it for this makeup look. All that's left to do is to accessorize. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, and I will see you guys on my next video.